Getting a new SIM card with an old number is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, you need to check with your mobile network provider to see if they offer a SIM card replacement service that allows you to keep your existing number. Most providers do offer this service, but it is always best to confirm before proceeding. Next, you will need to gather some required documents, which typically include a valid form of identification and your old SIM card. If you do not have your old SIM card, you may need to provide additional documentation, such as a recent bill or a proof of address. Once you have all the necessary documents, you can visit your mobile network provider's store or contact their customer service department to request a new SIM card. They will guide you through the process and provide you with a new SIM card that is activated with your old number. It is essential to ensure that your new SIM card is compatible with your phone, so be sure to check the specifications before making the switch. Additionally, you should also back up your contacts and other important data before replacing your old SIM card, as this information may be lost during the transfer process. To activate your new SIM card, you will typically need to insert it into your phone and follow the prompts to complete the activation process. This may involve calling your mobile network provider's customer service department or visiting their website to confirm your new SIM card details. Throughout the process, it is crucial to keep your old SIM card active until your new one is fully activated, as any downtime may result in missed calls or messages. By following these simple steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily get a new SIM card with your old number and minimize any disruption to your mobile service. It is also a good idea to test your new SIM card once it is activated to ensure that it is working correctly and that you can make and receive calls, send texts, and access the internet without any issues. If you encounter any problems, you should contact your mobile network provider's customer service department for assistance.